This is the Wanderers Notebook coming to you live from Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park in Alberta.
What's up, fellow wanderers? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing another on the trail video. In today's video, we are visiting Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park, which is located near Calgary, Alberta, in southern Alberta. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of this video, if you are new to the channel, please drop a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel, as we are closing in on 1,000 subscribers for the channel, which means we are getting closer to monetization. I'll be definitely updating you guys on different videos via the community tab, so it's just all more the reason for you to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when new posts and videos come out. Anyways, let's get into our hike. So here we are. We're just going to be coming down this incline here. As you can see, there's a low risk for fire, and we're just going to be going down into this kind of coulee area. You can see, and we're just going down. You might have just heard a train. It's right along some train tracks, actually, so it's really cool to see these different places and how they kind of meld together. Glenbow Ranch is still a working ranch, so there is like Texas gates to kind of tell cattle to stay where they're meant to be. So it's really cool, actually. As you can see, I'm with my family here. We're walking just as the sun was kind of setting. Still walking when there was snow, but it's kind of cool. I hadn't been out to Glenbow Ranch in a bit, actually, so it was really interesting to come back and see what changed, especially with our new member of our family. You can see that's kind of leading the pack, so to speak. Her name's Paisley. She's a border collie. She loves walks. Like, she has to be up in front, because that's what borders like to do. They like to herd and lead from the front, so to speak. Yeah, no, Glenbow Ranch has so much area to explore. Like, we probably didn't even scratch half the surface, maybe not even a quarter of the surface when it comes to like the amount of trails within Glenbow Ranch. Like, as you can see, there's a trail going off to the left there. There's a trail going up to the top of that hill. It is quite extensive, the trail system within Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park here. Like, you can see that we're even just going further down within the park here. You can see does kind of have that sedimentary desert rock formation, and we're just coming down here. So let's see. You can see that those trees there, they're deciduous, so they've lost their leaves for the winter here, and they're going to get them back in the spring. And as you might hear, it was quite windy when I was out here with my family, so I just had to kind of turn down the volume for these clips, because I wanted you guys to be able to hear me. But yeah, absolutely lovely scenery here. You can see the Rocky Mountains kind of way off in the distance there. Right there, actually, yeah. You can see the sun playing across the camera here. And yeah, you can hear that Paisley's met a new friend. A little bit further down there, that's actually the ruins of one of the buildings from what was Glenbow siding. And we're going to just... And yeah, watch for cow poop if you're coming to Glenbow Ranch. Yeah, but as you can see, there is that ruin of one of the buildings that was at Glenbow Siding, and Glenbow Siding was initiated by, I would like to say, Canadian Pacific Rail at some point, just kind of as a stopping off point before Calgary, and then it just, as more businesses moved to Calgary, it just became less and less used. So that's so Glenbow Siding is kind of an unknown aspect of Albertan history. If you guys would like a more deep dive into the history of Glenbow Siding, I'd be happy to do a video on it, maybe even a podcast episode on my The Wandering Historian podcast, which is available on all podcast networks. But yeah, as you can see, that is what is the one of the few buildings left from Glenbow Siding. It was like a combo general store train station kind of deal, which is kind of cool. Like that's how the West was really run back in the day. Like you had your train station, your general store, that sort of thing. And yeah, and now we have some barbed wire just kind of looped around the fence post there. I just kind of thought it was a neat shot. Definitely kind of symbolic of the Old West, I'd like to say. And now we're just going to be coming along here. Again, pan over to that last remaining structure from Glenbow Siding. Kind of a pan over to the foothills there. Now we're just going to be coming along here. You might see in the distance, that is part of the operations here for the farm, actually, here at Glenbow Ranch. So it is it's a little ways from the actual visitor center, which is up on the hill there. But yeah, so it's really cool. You can see just how it's very dense, almost brushland out here at Glenbow Ranch. And we're just coming along here. It's very cool, actually. I kind of like being at the back because it gives me a little bit better perspective as to where I am filming and visiting. You can see Paisley just kind of wandering off there, and I'm going to take this path right here, just kind of give you a shot of this whole farming operation, which is actually still in use, but more for a cattle operation now. You can hear airplane. There's like a civic airport nearby, so Glenbow Ranch does get a lot of airplanes. Just kind of a quick pan here, just kind of show where we're coming from, where we're going to. Like I said, Glenbow Ranch, it's really big. There's like this whole loop right beside the Boat River, which me and my family haven't done yet, but we're hoping to do when we go back to Glenbow Ranch. It's one of our favorite places to go for hikes. It's a really outstanding place. As you can see, this is the farming operation, more of a cattle operation, like I said, nowadays. So you can see a silo, maybe a barn right there. And yeah, now we're just going to be coming away from the farming operation. Paisley's just kind of nibbling on some grass there, but we're just coming out, going to pan around, kind of show where we're going. Yeah, it's I really like this area. I really do. Like, you can see all these different structures, and it's really nice. You can see the mountains way off in the distance. Like, it's just so cool, and yeah, I really like it here. So we're going to be going right along. We're going to be going right up to the train tracks, actually, and then going a little bit, that's going to be east. So just to kind of show what it's like there. Like I said, there's just so many trails within Glenbow Ranch that you have to come back and do like multiple visits to like really explore the full breadth of the park. It's really amazing actually. Like yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing a lot more on the trails, kind of focused around Glenbow Ranch here because it's really big, and I think you guys really like these on the trail videos, and I really enjoy making them, and that's why I'm going to be kind of I might be focusing more on the trails, maybe Paisley eating some grass, but yeah, I think maybe I'll start doing some on the trails in Yoho, Glacier National Parks, that sort of thing. Kind of broadens the scope, so to speak, for my on the trails. And here, we are going to be crossing the train tracks. One thing is, just keep moving, keep going ahead. Don't stop in the middle of them. Just move forward. Keep moving. That's all I can say. That's just something that you have to do. And now we're going to be going to be coming along here, and as you can see, this is, like I said, working farm, so has like all the areas where the cattle would be. Like you said, we just crossed the railway there, mainly used for freight now. You get the odd passenger train that's usually like the Rocky Mountaineer or something along those lines. So now we're going to be panning around here. There's Paisley, there's Max, Baxter. My mom's just taking some pictures at the back there. So now we are heading east here. I have to see what there is this direction. You can hear Paisley just kind of barking. And like I said, she's a boarder. She has to be up in front. I love her. She's such a good girl. Definitely love her. Yeah, there's the railway there, and if you can see right way ahead there, that is an outhouse. So there are facilities at Glenbow Ranch, in case you need to use them. Like there are picnic tables, there's outhouses. A lot of it's paved, so if you want to really make a go of it, you can actually bike from, I believe, Calgary to Cochrane, which is actually really amazing, and through some really amazing scenery as well. So that's always an option. Like I know my mom's talked about biking from Canmore to Banff on that trail there. So here we go. There's a train right there, if you can see, right there. You can see it, and you obviously heard it. Like there you go. I always kind of find that it's kind of iconic, like that, like a train whistle, like in like almost a Western film. It's really kind of iconic. Either that or a tumbleweed rolling across the screen. It's really cool. Now we're just coming back the way we came. Paisley's just sniffing for gophers. She's like, where are they? Let me at them. But yeah, you can see the sun playing across the camera lens there. And yeah, I really think you guys would enjoy coming out to Glenbow Ranch. It's one of the lesser known Albertan provincial parks, just because it's kind of out of the way, but also it doesn't get a lot of attention. Like I filmed a video before here, and it wasn't the greatest quality, so I wanted to give this provincial park justice for how beautiful it is and how it melds nature and history and everything like that kind of all together. So now we are kind of at the end of our hike, actually. Just going to do a slow pan from left to right towards the setting sun and the always beautiful Rocky Mountains. And yeah, always beautiful to come out to Glenbow Ranch Provincial Park. I'll leave definitely Alberta Park's social medias down below. I'll tag them in the title of the video. And like you can see, the sun playing across the camera, Rocky Mountains to the west there. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye for now.